Keeping your pool's total alkalinity between 80 and 125 parts per million is the secret to water that stays balanced and chill without all the headache. So, here's the deal with total alkalinity in your pool. It acts like a buffer for your pH, which means it keeps the pH from jumping all over the place. If your alkalinity is too low, your pH will be like a roller coaster, making the water sour or too basic, which can mess up your plaster and even rust metal stuff. To fix low alkalinity, just grab some baking soda or soda ash and add it to the water. On the flip side, if your alkalinity is too high, adjusting pH gets super hard and your water might look cloudy or milky. Definitely not pool party vibes. To lower it, muriatic acid or sodium bisulfate is your go-to. Always test your water first before adding chemicals so you don't overdo it. Keep a little notebook or app to track your numbers weekly, especially during hot months when water chemistry shifts faster. And remember, adding chemicals slowly and retesting helps you avoid wild swings that stress out your pool. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool alkalinity is ignoring it completely, which leads to constant pH headaches and corrosion problems. Fix that by testing regularly and keeping alkalinity in the sweet spot of 80 to 125 parts per million. Another common slip-up is adding too much baking soda at once, which can send alkalinity sky high and cause cloudy water. Always add chemicals in small doses and retest after a few hours. Lastly, using the wrong chemical to adjust levels is a classic blunder, like trying to lower alkalinity with baking soda instead of muriatic acid. So know which product works for your specific issue before dumping anything in. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, making any pool or home project way less stressful. Plus, it helps contractors find good jobs with folks who need reliable help, so everyone wins.